So come on home, 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 come on home.
Refugee status, and the only thing that matters. Refugee status, and the only thing that matters.
Now I was booming out the boats, Coney Island. A little nigga acclimated with the art of violence. Rebel recruiters steady shooting, they move in silence. We made it across the Atlantic, fuck it nigga, we wildin'. Shining like a lone star, grinding like a Muammar Gaddafi. Only happy when I'm sitting on them gold bars. Catch me on that go hard, oh Lord, protect me from them prison bars. Commission a vision from the resistance just to bring the noise. And made it my business to get up in it, boy. Ain't no lacking, we get it cracking, it ain't a choice. Cause I'm black in America, they don't hear my voice. You say that's cynical, check them prison stats, who at the pinnacle. Man, that's what I feel, that's what's going through my dome. I hope I get through this year and ain't nobody send them home.
Survivor, that's who I be. While we still trying to break free, Lord save me from the sand of my city. Remind them of my humanity. Survivor, survivor.
Check it, yeah, I'm on my grind, I ain't chillin'. To dollars lining the ceiling, and somehow I get the feeling I still won't be at peace. I cop a whip and then get nervous when I see police. Forget to hit the turn and signal and then be deceased. I heard there's freedom in this country, I just need a peace. But hush with all that chatter, whoa. They saying all lives matter, whoa. That ain't even fair though. How does that compare, bro? When you grow up in Watson getting shot over a peril, the perils of being black. When you watching your cops and neighbors, cause both of them might attack. I ain't mad, just stating facts. They just want me to sit and back. I'm just seeing this through the crack. This is consciousness to the max, man. That's how I feel, that's what's going through my dome. I just gotta spit the real till the Father send me home.
Survivor, that's who I be. While we still trying to break free, Lord save me from the sand of my city. Remind them of my humanity. Survivor, survivor. When there's life, there is hope. Survivor, survivor is survivor, 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 survivor.